What's up, guys? My name is Brendan, and today I want to talk to you about the Mastering Curriculum. I have spent the last 7 years of my life dedicated to the sport of tricking, learning it, teaching it, and helping it grow. And I took all that information that I learned and I put it into an ebook, and that is the Mastering Curriculum, a series of ebooks that dictates my tricking philosophy, what I believe to be true about this sport, and how you can progress within it. Volume 1 is titled How to Start Your Tricking Journey. And in it, I talk about what tricking is, my training mentality, and how you can start tricking by collecting some fundamental skills. The first volume lays the foundation for a great tricking progression by showing you the basic kicks, the important transitions, and the first flips you should learn if you want to get into tricking. If you're intimidated by the sport and you want to learn it, the first volume was written for you. It's cheap, it's only $10, and there's a 100% money back guarantee if you don't like it. Volume 2 is titled The Progression Bible, and in it I go over my entire philosophy regarding tricking progression. I talk about how you can progress in the sport, and I outline 3 important progressions for tricking growth. Those are the B-twist, the cork, and the snafu swipe. These tricks are really intimidating, but if you can break them down into a nice long progression chain, they will be far easier to learn. If you're experiencing a plateau and you've learned the fundamentals, but you're struggling to get the advanced tricks, the Progression Bible is for you. Not only that, but in it I touch on a ton of things that hold people back from progression, like injury and just life situations. So if you want to progress, pick up Volume 2, the Progression Bible. Volume 3 is titled The Strength and Flexibility Guide, and it's created to help tricking athletes build their bodies. You see, tricking is very physically demanding. You need to be athletically fit, strong, and flexible to perform the highest level tricks. And often tricking athletes struggle to build that level of fitness. That's why I created Volume 3, The Strength and Flexibility Guide, to help you guys get strong and flexible so that way you're able to progress in the sport of tricking. If you ever feel athletically weak and you want to get stronger to make your tricks easier, consider Volume 3, The Strength and Flexibility Guide. So far, I have written 3 volumes of the Mastering Curriculum, and I plan on adding more. My goal is to create educational tricking content to help you guys learn, grow, and succeed. And different people learn in different ways. Almost all the information in the Mastering Curriculum can be found throughout my YouTube videos. But if you want that information condensed in a literary format that's easy to digest, please consider getting the Mastering Curriculum. Not only that, but all the money you pay for the curriculum goes right into me creating more educational content, so that way everyone in the community can learn, grow, and succeed together. Thank you so much for watching, and a special thank you to all the patrons of Mastering Tricking. If you want to support this channel, of course you can buy the curriculum, but you could also become a patron. Patrons of Mastering Tricking get direct access to me along with a ton of other rewards. If you guys are interested in any of that, please check out howtomastertricking.com. But again, thank you and have a lovely day.